Oh, hello, Megsy. I'm back. Yes, I was just replying to you. Yeah, I got fucking suspended. Yeah. But I got the appeal approved for the first time ever. So we're back. Fucking hell! What a Jesus. And now we're probably going to get absolutely 0 people in here, but that's okay. But I can pop a flare again, straight away, see if we can get some people in here. But yeah, fucking hell. It was because I read out, what the fuck? Holy shit. God damn, that guy spammed the shit out of me. This is a fake account. What the fuck? Sorry, give me 1 second. Okay, I do now. Nope. What the actual fuck? Anyway, yes, I'm back. And yes, we'll probably have no one come in here anymore because I got fucking suspended and TikTok probably won't let me get any viewers because they fucking hate me, but whatever. Do you know what happened? Thank you, Ava, for liking the live. Welcome back, thank you. Your video is wonderful. I will always support you. This is definitely a fake account. Maybe not. Maybe? I don't know. Yes, thank you, Speedy. Fucking Jesus Christ. Ooh, thank you for following me, Ava. Fucking hell. Ridiculous, eh? Absolutely ridiculous. And now, literally no one's gonna come in. It's fucked. Whatever. What can you do? Yeah, Migsy, it was literally because I read out, I said thank you this person for following me. Yeah, I read out a name that was inappropriate when you say it out loud. I saw it and I didn't really care. Like, I didn't really give a shit. But I didn't think that was going to get me a week suspension, to be honest. So I appealed it and left a angry message because I was like, what the actual fuck? Yep, let's do it. Okay, so I checked where your entries were and they weren't, it was a pretty bad time to enter. So the reason we use this instrument, obviously, because it shows lots of buying pressure, right? Now let's get me little pen back up. I literally cracked the fucking shits and I was like, exited everything. And I was like, nah, I'm going for a dart. Fuck this. So, if you see multiple times, right, we got a little indicator here that we pay attention to. When there are large extensions, stuff like this, there's going to be a pullback at some point, right? You can get, obviously, larger pullbacks that just keep going, but the chances are that it's not going to, like shit like this, right? That's not particularly typical. Stuff like this. You know, you look previously, you get these moves, pull up, pull down, pull up, pull down, pull up, pull down, pull down, pull up. This is fucking abnormal, right? You get these pull downs, pull up. And when you get previous market structure that looks just exactly like this, the chances of something like this happening is quite slim. This is great market structure, just pretty much going through. These are slightly higher lows, but it's all acting as support. Because support's never going to be exact, right? And a lot of the time it's institutions finding liquidity, and you know, even you probably can't see this, but we got resistance too. All these levels up here, resistance. We obviously broke out a little bit higher, but I would presume about the same time. So getting into that as a buy, as an aggressive buy, is a seriously risky move, like super risky. Because the chances are we're going to have a pullback, right? And a lot of the time when you get these moves, you get a full A-shaped recovery. And this is stuff that I am going over. And it's taking way longer than I wanted it to, because I'm just trying to go through fucking everything. It's hard to think about absolutely everything. And then once I think about it, I'm like, oh, okay, maybe fucking... I'll put that back here, and then I have to tie it all together, and then so it's a fucking absolute nightmare, but it's coming along nicely. Now that we have this pressure, this selling pressure, this A-shaped recovery, we can see most likely buyers coming to step in at some point shortly, depending on macroeconomics. That hippie kid, thank you very much for following me. Depending on macroeconomics, if nothing crazy happens, which, I mean, we have FOMC at 4 a.m., so we could see some movement. GDP, for fuck's sake. We could see movement. Which way it's going to move, we don't know. But until that, I mean, fuck. You've jammed yourself a little bit, because to be able to get out of this, because you got in so aggressively with such a large position size up here or wherever it was, you're going to need a lot of strength to get back up here. And you're going to need, you know, positive, negative, lots of negative US news to be able to get up here in a very short amount of time to prevent from, you know, getting down further. But it is very plausible that with FOMC and GDP coming out, that we could just absolutely plummet, which is why you don't get in so aggressively. Now, we obviously had a look at the longer time frames, right? Being all the way down here on, you know, weekly levels and stuff, we are pretty low. Actually, yeah, this is the fucking line still, which is fine, but that's not short-term movement, right? This is over years. This is over fucking, like, this dip here is COVID. That's probably Ukraine, Russia. These moves to get back up, right? This is a fucking weekly chart. You need weeks and months to be getting up to, you know, even these levels here. It's going to take months to get up to there, right? So for getting into something like this, you would want to be doing minimum lot size, so it's not putting you in too much drawdown and just riding the wave over weeks and months and then ending up with a pretty decent profit. But to get in so aggressively at those sorts of levels comes into, like, I feel like maybe FOMO and greed, trying to get these big moves, because the 0.08 is way too big for your account size, and for the kind of what we were looking at with it being so far down over previous price action, I wouldn't have gone that aggressively. Maybe I should have mentioned that too. But yeah, getting in buys up here based on how we trade is not a good idea. Super fucking risky. Like catching that move when you were like down here or whatever, or even down here, wherever the fuck it was, and getting that big move was great, right? It was great. Once we're already extended up, adding into that, it's never a good idea, especially when market structure is just sitting in support and resistance levels and we're just in this big channel, you know, slightly up, slightly grinding up, but still too risky to get in up there. So maybe if you're thinking about something like that next time, just run it by me and we can have a look at it together, because I would have said don't do that to be completely honest, but that's okay. You look like Will Gibbs. Yeah, I get that all the time. It is Will Gibbs. The resemblance is actually freaky. Motherfucker, I'm way prettier than Will Gibbs. Like, come on. And I'm funnier. Who followed me? Skyfire Phoenix, thank you very much for following me. Bro, if I invest a profit capital of 3K and a 17% ROI, then what can I do with a negative stock split? I don't fucking know. I don't even know what the fuck you're talking about. What can I do? I don't know what a negative stock split is. Total profit, $1 trillion. Google me. I'm still on NQ shorts and gold longs. Like long term? Or short term? What are we looking at? I don't know what, like you could be trading the fucking 1 minute time frame. I don't know. What do you trade on? MT4, my broker's Black Bull Markets. Personally, I invest in liquor and my thoughts are the product. Fair enough. NQ shorts at 175, gold longs at 3. I saw the gold longs earlier. NQ shorts at 175. I'm confused. Like here? Well, I'm confused where your 175 comes into that. Skyfire Phoenix, thanks again for following me. Thanks, man. We'll run the next one past you. Oh, sweet. That's what I'm here for. 475. What the fuck? Hey, brother, I've been doing well in long-term holding stocks. Just started leveraging stuff. Nice. Good job. Yeah, I'm not a stock expert. I know virtually fuck all about stocks, so that's not my expertise. I can't help you out with anything to do with that. But yeah, good job. Keep it up. Any questions, let me know. Buy high, sell low. Thanks, man. Oh, yep. 470. Yeah, I don't know what you mean by 475. Like, you talking like right up here? 21, 475? I'm confused. Who's better, Messi or Ronaldo? Well, your name's Ronaldo, so I'm just going to say Ronaldo, but I don't watch soccer, football, whatever you want to call it. Would you suggest closing the... Thank you for following me. Dude. Hello, Trev. Send a donation. Someone send a small donation and you'll see what happens. You want to make my ears bleed? Do it now. I'll give you guys... And you'll scare the fuck out of everyone else. Whoever has headphones in... Thanks, Meegsy, for that. Holy shit. Hello? Elvis? Hello? I'm going to hell. I'm literally going to hell. Fuck. See, that's the thing. Like, it's so... I don't know. It's risky. Jesus, fuck. Thank you, Trev, for the rose. Clipped. Yeah, go on. Start a clipping account. And then you can make money from me. I'll pay you. God damn it. V8 Supercar edits. Oh, Levi. What's good? Hello, Levi. Thank you for making everyone's ears fucking bleed, including mine. Yeah, fuck. I seriously don't know. Jesus, fuck. Thank you for the TikTok. Dude, that's so loud. I don't know what's gonna happen if someone sends like 100 fucking roses, if it's just gonna continuously go. I might have to change it. God, Jesus Christ. God damn it. Fuck me. That's so loud. I might have to change that to like bigger donations, because fucking hell, that's so cooked. Jesus, fuck. That's too loud, man. I'm going to turn that down because that's actually fucked. That is so bad. I'd probably give it a bit. If we break out of these lows, I'd probably take the loss. Or what you can do is you can just close partials. You can partially close off some of that stuff so you're not in such high exposure. You're not exposed that much, you know what I mean? Trev, again, thank you very much for following me. Okay, I gotta say thank you for all of these. Thank you for the rose, the TikTok, the ice cream cone, the rose, the TikTok, and the heart puff. I really appreciate that, Levi. Cheers for that. How are you anyway? What's going on? You're fine, I believe. No one is an expert. We just figure small things out and go from there. Yeah. Well, I've been doing Forex for almost 5 years, so I'm pretty well versed in this, but stocks I just don't, never really have bothered with. So yeah. What did I just... yeah, sorry. Got to go to work. Remember and poke back in later. All sweet. Thank you very much for tuning in, throwing me a follow. And yeah, I'll see you later. This shit feels like a different language. What's that? The trading. Elvis, thank you very much for following again. Easy. Clipped, yep, thank you. What's good? Yep, no, only jokes, man. Good luck. Yeah, I mean, I don't really give a fuck. Do it. Make some money. You're welcome. What's a good stock to trade with $100? I just explained I don't do stocks. Well, good luck, GG. Name one car you want me to do for an edit or race category. Ooh. VL Turbo. I'm good. How about you? I'm good. I'm pretty good. I just got suspended in my last live, and then I had to fucking appeal it, and I got it back. As in close the high one. Not sure what you mean there, bro. So you can close partials out of, like, you've got 0.08 on that top position, right? What you can do is you can close, like, let's say you want to halve those position sizes. Like the 0.05 you want to turn into 0.02. The 0.08 you want to turn into 0.04. You can do that. Yeah, fuck. That's pretty good. And what's the... So if you close them all out, you'd be basically wiping out your profit for the week, which we don't particularly want, but we can use a bit of this week's profit to take off partials and half your position size. Jesus, fuck! God damn it, Levi. Holy shit. What site do you recommend? Brian, what do you mean by what site in regards to what? Like education, getting it, like looking at the charts, like I don't really know what you mean. I'll post it tomorrow or the day after. Fuck yeah. Pumping anyone with your custard gun tonight, bro. What the fuck? Hi, Tom. In Oz, you can't open a live account unless you have 30k savings. Jesus Christ. Thank you for the heart puff TikTok ice cream cone. Holy shit. Rose. Okay, fuck. I have to change that. I've got to change it. That's actually fucked. I have to make it bigger donations because that is actually so fucked. But thank you so much for the gifts. Jesus Christ. No, you don't need 30k savings or 75k annual income. No, that doesn't matter. Unless you're trying to open like a professional account. I think they have professional accounts where you can, certain brokers have them that allow you to have like better conditions. And that's when you need higher savings or income, but I think it's more than 30k or 75k income. I think it's a lot more than that. I didn't realize you could do that. Yeah, you just need to modify the order. If I send you money to trade for me, can you get me a return? I probably wouldn't do that. I've had a lot of people ask me to do that, and I don't think I would. I could, yes, but I don't think I'll do that. I don't want that pressure of having other people's money. Did you trade on New Zealand or US dollar on Monday? I don't know. I'll have a look. My bad. No, all sweet. Bro, that Scream, yeah, it's fucked. How'd you learn about buying stocks? I've never bought stocks. I trade Forex, foreign exchange market, which is currencies, and indices, which is technically stocks, but it's an index fund of the largest stocks in that industry. But I learned through self-education and paying for mentorships and courses and all that shit. Maybe tonight, okay, I'm going to start making it. All right, easy. I'll join back when it's up and done. Sweet. MXC just went. I don't know what MXC is. What's MXC? Am I in New Zealand or US dollar? I am. I'm gonna buy. When did I get in on that buy? Yesterday. Damn, we almost hit profit on that. That does not make sense. Holy fuck, please no. Pound New Zealand dollar, I'm going to take off now. I'm in decent profit on Pound New Zealand dollar. Damn, I would have got bulk profit there, but I missed that earlier. So you're coming off. We've done 1.21% this week. Which is good. So if I have 1 to 3K, I can open a live account? Absolutely, yes. 100%. NQ just swept lows, trying to sweep liquidity. Okay, I don't talk smart money, fucking whatever, at all. So I don't. Yeah, I don't fucking know. Did you see my message? I did. But I don't. I think I missed it. Oh yeah, shit. Sorry. Yeah, I think I was getting ready to go live. Sorry. Oh yeah, you need to. Yeah, that'll fuck it up. If you leave certain settings on. You need to change it to 0 so it disables that 100%. So just set everything else to 0. Oh, that's you. Leon. Okay. Nope. You don't need 75k annual income or 30k savings. What broker did you choose? What broker did you choose? Sorry, I just saw your message, but yeah. Let me know what broker it is. Please check gold and give us your advice. Sure. I don't trade gold, so I will not be giving any constructive advice. Probably going up. It's just like any US dollar cross though. You know, if we get FOMC super negative or GDP super negative, we're going to see gold pump. Vice versa. See very positive, we might be seeing down. I do not know. I don't even know how gold reacts to news, but I presume it's just kind of like any other US dollar cross. But I'm not the gold guy. I'm not the gold guy. On Monday, New Zealand is crazy going down, huh? Potentially. Yeah, it was. Yep. Big day. That's what happens when this happens. You get extensions and pullbacks. Just how the market moves. Big dog. There you go, Moe. Daniel Holmes, go to his profile. He's the gold guy. I don't know fuck all about gold. But how are ya? What's going on? Bro, you look like Dexter. Dude, you know what's fucked? Hold up. I gotta find this fucking photo that this guy fucking made of me in Discord. It's actually funny as fuck. How do I even fucking see this shit? And I literally look exactly like Dexter in it. Look at this shit. Look at that. That's fucking funny. Well, I don't think I look like him, but in this I do. It's pretty funny. I haven't said that. I'll be contacting you once I have 2K on Discord. Tom, I want to trade on live account now. Yeah, nice. Okay, stop, Tommy, because I literally just got suspended and got my shit back. Yeah, I thought so. It placed like a buy, like 5 seconds. Okay, yeah. Go market, cheap minimum deposit, so I chose them. I'll just message, I'll talk to you on Discord. I use Black Bull, same. When dropping, when's what dropping? What pairs do you trade? I trade 28 different Forex pairs. About 20 at the moment because I'm not trading Swiss or Yen. I heard they're no good. No, I don't know who the fuck this is. Up the Maroons, fucking oath. Buy your salsa. Dude. I was about to watch you live, then it ended. Yeah, Moe, go follow him. He's the gold man. It's good. You do look like him, I guess. I didn't realize that chat on your screen was this chat. Thought that was Discord or something. Oh, right. No. What's good? What up, Jay? It's been a while. How are you? Thank you, Jasmine, for liking the live. I appreciate that a lot. I'm gonna fucking piss myself. I'm gonna lie. Wait, I gotta check that was actually him too before you guys go follow, because it might not be. Yeah, it's him. Yeah. Go if you like gold, go follow him. Yeah, good mate. How's the trading going? It's going fantastic. We're fucking killing it. Absolutely killing it. So, chilling. Absolutely chilling. I'm gonna change that donation thing right now to more than fucking, what should I do? Should I do more than 10 coins for the screaming in my ear? Because one is fucked. One is absolutely fucked. I need guidance, bros. Sick of losing money on stop losses. That's why I don't use them. And yeah. B, thank you very much for the rose and hurting my fucking eardrums. I need to change that before I get absolutely fucking spammed with singular gifts. How do I... Jesus, fuck. Okay, minimum coins is now 10. So, to make everyone's ears bleed, people have to use more than 10. Yours back up, your edit's up. All right, let's have a look. Nah, it's probably still under review or some shit. Why not use stop losses? Are you trading fast in and out? Not particularly in and out. But this is the thing, right? So, what did I just get out of Euro USD? What's the playlist? It's just some saved. It's this website. This is Jazz Lounge with a sad vibe to it because it's a bit more chill jazz. But it's just Jazz Lounge, sad. Artlist.io. It's non-copyright music. That's why I use it. And then yeah, go from there. So I'm in, Jay. I can be in for a day, I can be in for a week, I can be in for a month. It depends how the trade plays out, but I scale into my positions only using minimum risk. So I only use 0.1 to 0.25% per initial position. And then I scale in it. AJ can't see. Is this a fake one? Yeah. That's pretty funny. Is it a fake account? Surely. There's no way that's the fucking real guy. I doubt it. Highly doubt it. So he makes 0.5% loads of times instead of one big once. Yes, 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 absolutely. Sorry, let me go back. How do you recommend starting day trading? Go to my Discord. If you're brand new, go to my Discord. Watch the 1 hour beginner's video on how to get started. Then do the Baby Pips course and ask me as many questions as possible because I'm here to help for free. The strategy side of everything, that comes in the mentorship, and getting my trading bot and everything, that comes in the mentorship. But for, you know, regular stuff, ask me whatever the fuck you want. I am here to help. And yeah, so Jay, I usually make like 0.1 to 0.25% per trade. All you need to make 10% per month is 0.5% a day, right? So you don't need that much. And the thing is you can wait for these perfect entries and these big winners and everything, but how long is it going to take for starters? Secondly, what if it goes wrong and you have a stop loss and you get stopped out? And then you got to wait for these perfect entries again. And one of the problems with scalping and doing things on short time frames is you're going to be wrong a lot of the time, right? And then that just eats up psychology, and just like you're just getting fed up with it. And remove the stop loss, get your risk all the way down, add a bunch of pairs so you can monitor them all. When something's not going right, you still have other options and other pairs that are consistently making you profit. And even if it does go wrong, that's fine. We're risking fuck all. We can scale into the position over time because the market has to come down at one point. You know what I mean? It doesn't go up forever. You see these big fuck off moves like this coming all the way down. It's got to go back up. Even if we don't get out just there and it keeps going down, we can get into another position and eventually it's going to go back up. And it might take us days, sometimes a week or two. That's fine. It's okay. And that's what I teach in the mentorship. You should be able to check the edit now. Mad. Okay. Hold up. Fuck yeah. Oh, that wasn't even that was my other account. Hold up. I like it on this account. You sick cunt. Thank you very much for tagging me in that. I like it. I like it a lot. Wait, did you tag this account?
Full-time day trade.
Shut the...
It's time to take your final bow.
You tagged a fake account of mine. Oh, that's funny. Toby, what's good? How are we? Father, someone stole my credit card info. Shit, that's rough. Oh, thanks, bro. Yeah, what's been happening? Tobski? I stole it, brother. I did shit, my bad. Nah, it's all good. It's fine. You fucking send a fake account though. Go, everyone go like the fucking edit on V8 Supercar edits. I gotta piss. I'm about to piss myself. I'll be back. You know what I don't think I did? I don't think I fucking, I don't know if I focused my camera. Make one more chat, or choose a car or racing category. Cyber. What the fuck is even that? Where'd the music go? Oh. Nah, do a... I'm trying to think of cars that I've owned. Which is a lot. I don't even know. I don't know, bro. I don't know. I can't think of one. I literally can't think of one. So I'm gonna fucking do this real quick. Tom, have you ever sized up your lot sizes before on your live account? Thank you very much, Ghost Empire FX, for following and liking. Name any car, one more, I'll edit it. Okay, the first car that I see on my phone, one of my old ones, I'm gonna go all the way to the top of my camera roll. I'm gonna try it. First one of my old cars. Oh. Okay. You might not even be able to get photos of one of these. I mean, maybe you can, but it's one of these. It's an Aristo JZS147. Had a fucking 2J in it. A boosted 2J, and it was fucking nuts. I almost killed myself in that car so many times. How to get started with trading? Join my Discord. Discord's linked to my bio, and then go watch the 1 hour free video on how to get started into trading. I'll mix some. I'll mix any cars, what you say. There you go. I mean, if you trade with 1.64 and you feel confident on that trade, so you trade with 5, no, I don't. Since you have a lot of capital, I don't do that, no. Boosted 2J, what was it called again? Toyota Aristo. That's the model, because there's a bunch of Aristos. Like the old GS300s look exactly the same. But listen to this fucking thing. This is terrible quality, but listen to this thing. Like that thing was just fucking nuts. This quality though, fucking hell. My mate had the worst phone. I don't know if there's anything else, eh? How this one? I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, there you go. Whoop whoop. That was when I fucking did the biggest skid. Just gutter to gutter. What da 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 da. Fucking gutter to gutter. Right in front of a cop. That's pretty funny. I'm new to crypto. Should I stay in my lane at Coinbase? I'm not well versed in crypto, so I'm not gonna tell you what to do or advise you on anything to do with crypto, because I don't know. What I would suggest is probably getting out of crypto, because it sucks, unless you're doing like long-term shit. If you're a day trader on crypto, fuck that. I think that gold is in between a high of 3,500 and a low of 3,100, so I would say it's too risky now. Man, a lot of people fucking talk about gold. What do we got? 31. I mean, yeah. Like, but yeah, smack bang in the middle. If you're long term, it's kind of risky, yeah. It's fucking who knows what's gonna happen. We are smack bang in the middle of it. If you're not a scalper and you're going long term, it is kind of risky. But you could do what I do and scale in if it goes down, dollar cost average in, and wait for the pullback, which is inevitable. That we'll probably get back up to these levels at some point, but reducing your risk and scaling in if it doesn't go your way, and if it does, fantastic. You made money. So the thing with trading is you don't always have to be right. You don't always have to have these sniper entries if you fucking trade a different way to the conventional fucking influencer on the internet. And you know, a lot of people use this strategy that aren't on the internet and they make a lot of money. Now mate, my Insignia VXR could beat you. It weighs the same as you. That's funny. That's funny. Funny, Loki. Are you in Australia? Yep. So do you look at what banks are trading and guide off of that? Hold up. Hold up.
Hi.
Hold up.
Oh, sorry.
Banks are trading. Well, you don't know what banks are trading. But you can trade similar ways to. I mean, kinda. But yeah, what are your targets? But yeah, you don't know what banks are trading. What are your targets for gold to buy if it begins to drop? I don't trade gold. Pretty sure I said that like 4 times. Mr. Lopez, how we doing? 47 Hollywood Hills in my Hollywood Hill count. Yeah, no, I'm good. How are you? That took me a second. Buy or sell. Buy or sell what? Why do people come in here and just say buy or sell? What the fuck are you talking about? I don't fucking know. Cool. Do you have Swedish ancestors? Anderson is a Swedish name. No. Scottish, mostly. Which is Smith. And then I think that the Anderson might come... I don't even fucking know. I've got Lebanese in my fucking... somewhere. Joke never gets old. Yeah, I know. I don't even know where the fuck the Anderson came from. I don't know shit. We got 7k likes. That's good for a replay of fucking... Meeksy went again at 2.9k. Thank you very much. Taxman, 1k. Robbie Barker. I ain't ever seen you here. Almost 1,000. Who's this Robbie Barker bloke? He looks like a fucking gentleman. Entrepreneur, loving life, family, and friends. Welcome, Robbie. What a nice looking bloke this guy looks like. I'm going through his shit right now, sorry.
Hey, TikTokers, I just had a quick message.
Ah! I didn't mean to have fucking audio. Likes a bit of fishing. It's a random photo. Nice boat. What a nice looking bloke this guy looks like. Do you trade futures like Anchor? I don't trade futures, no. Only CFDs. But I trade the NASDAQ. Robbie Barker, stay away, Robbie. Silver is mine. What's good? What's a good stock up? Thank you for following. What's a good stock app or website to get started, bro? I'm keen but very unsure. I don't do stocks, but Forex I know a lot about, and I use Blackmore Markets and for my broker and MetaTrader 4. You probably don't know what you're even really, what that even is, but if you join my Discord's linked to my bio. If you go into my bio, hit the link and it will have free Discord there. And then what the fuck is this fucking music? And then hit the 3 dots at the top, takes you into an external browser, and then you can join my Discord. And then you can watch the 1 hour free video on getting started into trading. And then come back, message me with questions that you have, because you will have a lot of questions, and that's okay. That's what I'm here for. Free of charge. Obviously, my strategy, I do have mentorship and everything, but that's later down the track. You can jump in straight away, obviously, and you can get one-on-one from the get-go, but most people don't want to do that. They want to kind of see if it's for them, and that's okay. Doesn't bother me whatsoever. Do you trade crypto? No. Sorry, Riser. Why are we listening to fucking piano music? Like, I understand the jazz lounge might have some fucking piano in it, but not this bullshit. Thank you, Not Pro Skater. I appreciate that. Thank you for following me. What do we got? That's better. Yeah, that's better. That's way better. Do you trade futures? Nope. CFDs? Should I get into trading? Absolutely. Why not? Someone fucking send me. I kind of feel like fucking with everyone that's in here. I kind of feel like fucking with everyone that's in here. So you need to send a gift that's more than 10 coins and pray that there's a lot of headphone users in here. Do it and you'll see what happens. Just do it. I don't ask for gifts ever, but do it. 10 coins. It's not much. Just do it. You think we have money? Probably not. But it's funny. It was originally 1 coin, but I had to change it because I got absolutely fucking spammed. There you go. Thank you very much for the double rosa. What is that? I don't know what that. Your local cactus eater. Thank you very much. Did that fuck with everyone? I hope it did. I hope everyone is fucking deaf because I definitely am. This shit is loud as fuck in my ear. I'm like almost full volume. Thank you very much. Thank you, thank you. That's it. You guys don't need to send any more, but I did that today. That's a new thing. Thank you for the extra rosa. I'm probably going to scare people off by doing that. Like, is it loud for you guys? Literally, I just went from 15 to 11. 4 people were like, fuck that. Is it loud for you guys? Not Pro Skater. What up, Jenny? How are we? DK, is that Denmark? Is it loud or what? How fucking hard is it for you guys to answer me? Is it loud? Okay, I might as well just fuck off then. Thank you, Isaiah, for following me. I appreciate that. This is like a fucking humiliation ritual, this fucking stream. Am I right? Just a fucking absolute humiliation stream. How's London doing today? Are we up? We're up today, but I'm not trading specifically London session. But we're up today. God. Fuck. Is it just extremely loud for me? Thank you very much for the roses, though. I appreciate that. Is it literally just extremely loud for me? The other car at its up, mad. Alright, let's have a look. Buy or sell. Oh, fuck me. Okay. I don't know. What are you talking about? Hello, Fair King. How's your evening? As usual, you light my screen. Good. I don't have headphones in, luckily. Yeah, jump scares me too, Fair King. Fuck. But deaf is loud. Alright, fuck me. I don't know if that's going to be detrimental to the stream and people are just going to fucking leave. I don't know. Really, I don't even know. Thank you for following me. Definitely is loud. Yeah, literally fucking humiliation ritual this fucking stream is. What the fuck's I doing? I might need to actually cut this off, eh? Yep. Yeah. Yeah, that's better. Oh, yeah, okay, yep. Give me 1 second. I was at Bondi Beach today. Saw a lot of fair kings and fair queens there. Nice. Alright, let's have a look at the edit. Let's have a look at the edit. I like it. Good job. I missed my wrist though. I need another one. What you're analyzing? This is Euro Swiss, but fucking anything you want to look at. I'm mostly well versed in Forex. Everything else not really, but we can still have a look at it. Will I ever see their fair king? See a fair king like you at Bondi? Probably not Bondi. I don't really go to Sydney very often. What's your view on NASDAQ right now? It's pre-market, so probably nothing. Yeah. We got FOMC and GDP. So what will happen at open? I'm not too sure if it's going to be a little volume waiting for FOMC or... That's a tricky one today. 4 a.m. Yeah, I don't... So... Yeah, this is hard. We're in the middle of a gap. We obviously have this top over here. What the fuck? Like, we're at a lot of... You know, we've been stuck up here for a while. And that could just act as resistance. Goldbuster FX, thank you very much. This could just act as resistance again. We could maybe pop up here and come back down. I would not want to trade this today, to be completely honest. Unless we just broke short straight away. Just coming down to these lows and then just doing the exact same thing that we've been doing for the past couple of weeks. Which is just hanging around this level. And it really depends on how you trade it. It really depends on how you trade it. So when I'm trading indices, I'm trading an opening range breakout, right? So all of this chop doesn't particularly matter to me. I just look at daily highs and lows, support and resistance, and looking to fill gaps. Because all of those things act as magnets for price. Price tends to drive to those sorts of locations, and from an open, we can see that. We can see that it might go in one direction. That's what I was trying to say. But it really depends. It really, really depends. There is very little going on now because it's pre-market. Like, who the fuck's trading pre-market? Who knows? I would not, you know, if I got into something like this and it went long from open, I'd be absolutely taking partials here and then letting the rest run. And then if we broke short, we got all the fucking room in the world. Which would be nice. And then taking partials around these levels, letting the rest run. You know, we got heaps of room. Just really depends. Who knows what orders banks and institutions have to fill, and where they're going to drive the price. No one can ever know. See you later, Levi. Have a good one. Please drop secret Fair King and Fair Queen locations. I don't fucking know. Is the news on EST time? Well, you can change it on Forex Factory. So you just go up here. Oh, were you talking about mine? You got a warning when you said ooh earlier. No, I got fucking suspended for saying someone's fucking username. Just thanking them for following me. Goldbuster FX, thanks again for following me. Been taking the lower highs down. Worked well today. On what? With 1 mini each time. What, mini lot? Thanks, bro. All good. Gold's not doing much tonight. Is it not? I thought it was. Oh, maybe not. Oh wait, that's fucking... Depends what time frame, I guess. I mean... Man, gold is not... I don't know how the fuck it moves. I got fucking absolutely no idea. I don't pay any attention to gold except for when someone asks me to look at it. Can we look at IONQ? I don't even know what the fuck that is. So just some random stock. If I got it. Check Darwin X. Don't have it. Although I had to do some testing on this other fucking broker today, so maybe this broker has it. Thank you, Tormain, for following me. Alrighty, buddy. Holy shit, how long am I going to be here for? Commodities, indexes. Metals, I don't know why I'm checking all of these, but just in case there's something hidden. You in Australia? Yep. Brisbane? I don't know to hold or sell on what, Kiwi, sorry? Oh, on that. When did you get in? Fuck, I think I'm gonna start looking into stocks. NQ. We just did NQ. Go on YouTube and rewind it. What up, just a standard bloke? How are we? Mr. fucking 20 gifter level. Jesus. If you want to make everyone's ears bleed, send something more than 10 fucking coins. This is the last time I ever ask or encourage people to send me gifts ever. But it's pretty funny. I actually feel like the biggest loser doing that, so let's just not do that, actually. Oh, Jesus, fuck. Oh my god, and he sends a fucking hat and a mustache. I didn't mean that much. Jesus Christ. Bro, he just broke my fucking eardrums and he sent me a hat and a mustache. Thank you very much. I didn't mean that much. I literally just meant fucking 10 coins because I feel weird when being like, give me a gift. Because I just don't care about the gifts. So, fucking hell. Thank you very much for that. Thank you very much. And you probably just made everyone's fucking ears bleed. Including mine. That fucking hurt. It's so literally max volume in my ear. Yeah, that was not fun. Are you trading gold? Nah, I don't trade gold. I only trade Forex and indices, but not at the moment. Not indices at the moment. Thoughts on a funded account? Funded accounts are not good for especially beginners because they're designed for you to lose. And you have rules that just fuck your psychology and everything. It's just not good. It's not good for a beginner. If you're an extremely advanced trader, you can use it to your advantage, but the majority of people should not use funded accounts at all. Gold's about to break. Let's have a look. Yeah, it's weird. Yeah, it's just not for me. I mean, it helps and it supports the stream and makes me want to come and stream more when people are showing support, because the more gifts you get, the more people come in, like the more TikTok promotes you and shit. Ew, Scott Morrison, thank you for following me. So so it does support the stream in terms of TikTok promotes you more the more gifts you get. So it's a bit of like a double-edged sword where I'm not promoting myself because I don't talk about gifts or promote gifts or anything. You know what I mean? And it's just shit because I don't want to I wish I could get the promotion from the gifts without taking people's money, essentially, because I don't give a fuck. It helps, obviously, every fucking cent I appreciate, but yeah, I don't know. It's weird. Yeah, thank you, ScoMo, for following me. Don't do funded accounts, get a demo account and trade for months. Absolutely. That's what I did. I was demo for 2 years. So yeah, that's great advice. Demo. And then build, I don't give a fuck, get 2, 3 jobs, doesn't fucking matter. Build enough capital to be able to go live. And then once you've done that demo trading for so long, you should be competent enough to be able to trade with a live account and not need a fucking funded account. Holy shit, that's the highest. Gravitas Q, that is the highest gifter level I've ever seen. What the fuck? That's the highest gifter level I've ever seen in my life. Motherfucker has 123,000 fucking followers. Holy shit. That is literally the highest gifter level I've ever seen in my life. How the fuck do you even get to that? Buy Trench once live. Yeah, probably fucking not, eh? Thank you very much for following me, Step Strat. I think I've got to stop doing that, eh? Trench? Buy Trench? Okay, buddy. Maybe don't do that. Maybe don't. Transfers live. Step Strat, thank you very much for following me again. Hello. Why do people pay a guru when you can learn for free? That's a fantastic question, and I'm going to explain that right now. You up north? I'm Melbourne. Yeah, I'm in Brizzy, yeah. So, the reason why people pay for a guru, which I highly recommend against, even though I do have like a mentorship, but I focus more one-on-one because it's the only way that really makes sense, right? Is doing a mentorship. My mentorship is so unbelievably cheap. It's fucking stupid and doesn't make any sense for me to actually do it financially, but I do it anyway. So the reason why people pay for gurus or mentors or anything like that is because, and I use this analogy a lot, and sorry if you've heard this multiple times before, but let's just say you want to become a apprentice, you want to become a fucking electrician, right? And in that apprenticeship, for 4 years, you have to learn on the internet by yourself. But in this magical world that we're living in, electricians aren't what they are, and you don't have apprenticeships, and you don't have a boss that teaches you everything and what to do, right? You don't have a hands-on experience. So you have to go on the internet and scour through all this information to try and become a electrician, right? But here's the kicker, is 95% of the information that's on the internet to change light bulbs and become an electrician is incorrect. So you have to sift through everything by yourself, and all this random information and everything from all these people that don't know what the fuck they're talking about, to sift through all this information just to learn how to become an electrician. And that's what trading's like. Is there is so much garbage, so much bullshit, so much phony, fake people on the internet that are just trying to take your money through mentorships and through broker affiliation links and everything like that, that it's very difficult to find people that are actually legit. And I fell victim to that. I paid for mentorships and fucking went down the whole guru route and everything years and years and years ago. And once I actually found my mentor that I learned from, I learned everything from, I found the guy that really taught me how to do shit, after a year and a half of learning from the incorrect people, that's what jump-started everything, right? So yeah, that's why people pay for it, and a lot of the time the reason why people are paying for this shit is because the internet gurus are promoting a get-rich-quick lifestyle, which is very incorrect and very deceitful and never going to fucking happen. Unless you get a pump on a meme coin, that's never going to happen, because that's all inside information and all this bullshit, insider trading. Is it smart to buy shares off XAir? I don't know what that is, never even heard of it. Exactly, there are dodgy Sparkies out there. I mean, yeah, and thank you very much. Love you for following me. I appreciate that. Yeah, seems to more guru than actual traders. Oh, dude, literally 95. Like, that's what I reckon. Well, I mean, the statistic is 70 to 95% of traders lose money, right? Probably because they're learning from 70 to 95% of people that are full of shit and don't actually know what the fuck they're doing. Real skill is from experience. That too, yeah, you need experience. You need to be on the charts. You need to be demo trading. And you need, I personally think you need a real mentor. Birdchop, thank you very much for the tofu. I appreciate that. And Birdchop, I changed the screaming to 10 things. So you need to send 10 coins before you can fucking scream in my ear. Which is probably good, because that would have fucking hurt. Or spend 24/7 watching lives and learn the ups and downs, but that takes years. Dazza, thank you very much for following me. Yeah. Absolutely. It's just time. It is time. Like, you can, thank you for the tiny Birdchop. I appreciate that a lot. Thank you very much for the tofu and the tiny. I appreciate that. Thank you. Yeah, it is time. Like, you could be scouring the internet for years and years and years and years and years, or you could just copy somebody that's actually legit. But finding that person that's legit is so fucking difficult. It is so difficult. Thank you, Neo Dag, Dazza, and love you for following me. Birdchop, just a standard bloke for the gifts, and I don't even know what the fuck that is, but for all those gifts as well. I appreciate that. Well, I got no more money to gift because it's all on the account. Dude, you don't need to gift. It's all good. Doesn't bother me one fucking bit. I think it comes to strategy, a good scanner and money. What do you mean by scanner? Fuck, what are they again? Yeah, dude, some guy was trying to sell me one of these the other day. I was like, no, what the fuck? Yeah, I don't know about that one. I don't know about that one. Nah. Money and a good strategy and fantastic psychology is going to get you a long way. Thank you, Birchop, for sharing the live as well. The best advice before you get a mentor is get a demo account. Yep. And do the baby pips course too. It's very in-depth and there's a lot of shit you don't really need to know though. And it takes a very fucking long time. It took me so long. Neo Dag, thank you very much for following me. I don't know if I said that. I think I just said thank you like 50 times. Okay, no. Oh yeah, no, that's all good. Yosef, bro, what? Liar. Okay. Thank you. What are you trading on? Well, why the fuck would I answer you if you're calling me a liar? Yep, be calm. Well. Thank you very much for following me. Bob's my uncle. I appreciate that. Yeah, why the fuck would I answer anything you say? Yeah. I use Think or Swim. Set up your studies. Example, I use 0.50 minutes, 3 max with min. Yeah, dude, I don't even fucking know. If it works for you, it works for you. Fair game, you know. Where's the fair kings and... I don't know, bro. I don't know. Scotland. Go to Scotland. Bob's my uncle again. Thank you. Ha 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 ha. Thoughts on XRP? It's like any other crypto. It's manipulated and fucking... No one knows what the fuck's going to happen. I'm in a bit of a brutal mode right now, eh? Mood. We're in this range. We're in the middle. Whether it's going to do that or that is anyone's guess. It depends on how much hype fucking XRP gets. It's all it is just hype. Thoughts on XRP? Don't let these negative people... Dude, this isn't negative. I don't give a shit about that. Like, I literally don't give a shit about... No, I'm just kidding. I don't know. I'm getting tired and I've been streaming for like 2.5 hours and stuff. And it gets a bit... I've been talking for like 2.5 hours, so it gets a bit... You know... Props to the people that do this shit for hours and hours and hours and hours, but I'm very engaging with every single comment, you know. I'm a bit different to the majority of actual streamers that I've at least seen, as I talk to absolutely everyone and respond to every single comment. I hold XRP, yeah, I do too, and I've held it for a while, but I don't have a significant amount. And that's all you can really do with crypto to be making big gains is just sit there and hold. Elite X Capital scam page using Jaydun name on Telegram scam. Thank you very much for letting us know. Everyone, sorry if you got fucking scammed by them. That's no good. Hopefully everything's all good. And yeah, everyone should be very cautious. This industry is full of scammers. Full of liars. It's terrible. If you only had 1K, what would you put it in? I'd probably use my own strategy still, if I only had $1,000. Or I would get 3 jobs and build it up as much as I can, or chuck it in and then just add to it as much as I possibly can. That's what I'd do. Bro, my keyboard's been typing double keys a lot recently. I think I need a new one. I've like smashed this fucking thing before, so I'm not surprised. $1K, save, yeah. You can't, like, dude, I got a guy. I don't know if he's in here. Speedy, are you in here? Probably not. I got a guy in the mentorship that started with a $500 account, and he's just been adding to it and adding to it and adding to it and making money too. Like, he was at fucking, he's done $141 this week. But I probably shouldn't be saying this, but sorry, Speedy. And he's only been going for like 3 weeks or whatever, and he's almost at 1.5K. So you can. I don't recommend it at all, but you can. Fuck. Ah, my head hurts. I think I'm gonna boost off. 20K likes, thank you very much. Don't expect to make cash from XRP tomorrow. I keep buying, but I'm thinking for 10 years. Yeah, well. Alright, peace out, mate. Origin starting up the Blues. Why is every single person in here a fucking New South Wales supporter? Like, I swear there's not a single fucking Queenslander in here. Sergio! Thank you very much for the TikTok. I appreciate that a lot. I can't fucking leave now because fucking my viewers are getting better. Come on, the pies. What the fuck? The magpies? Gold. Okay. I don't know. Talk to, who was it? I'm pretty sure it was you, just a standard bloke. That was the gold guy. Yeah. I don't know. I got fucking zero clue. I don't trade gold. I don't trade Forex. Currencies. Ask him. He might know. I don't know. Do you have like followers? Oh shit, you do have a lot of followers. You're fucking more than me. What a weapon. Is Origin stuck? Oh fuck! The Origin's on! I gotta go! Holy shit! What the fuck? I gotta get off. Fucking hell. See you later, guys. Have a good night. Fucking hell. I'm an idiot. Meow! I'll be back tomorrow. Follow me right now. Hit the follow button. Hit the follow button. Follow me. I'll be back tomorrow, 5:45 p.m. Follow now. Otherwise, you're never gonna see me again. So fucking follow!